Good afternoon, welcome to Outdoors with John. We are now in the Hidden Valley Trail parking lot. This parking lot is packed. There are people waiting just to get in. I'll find a parking spot. It's a 1 mile nature loop inside a 55 acre valley out there, which is surrounded by rocks except for this narrow passage to find your way in. This easy 1 mile loop starts at the Hidden Valley picnic area of the main east-west park road. The easy hike explores a rock-enclosed valley that was once rumored to have been used by cattle rustlers. In 1936, desert pioneer Bill Keys blasted a notch through these walls to improve access for his cattle herds. Today this serves as the Hidden Valley's main access point. The valley's natural enclosure holds more rain than the surrounding area, creating a unique microhabitat that brings together a wide range of plants and animals not typically found together in this section of the park. Pinyon pine. So that wraps up the Hidden Valley Trail. Great quick little hike, a little over a mile, awesome views. It's going to be chilly in there, lots of people, so be patient. Thanks for coming along.